Jeremiah 31 verses 7-11. For thus said Yehua, sing with gladness for Ya'aqob and shout among the chief of the nations. Cry out, give praise and say, O Yehua, save your people, the remnant of Yisra'ელ. See, I am bringing them from the land of the north, and shall gather them from the ends of the earth, among them the blind and the lame, those with child and those in labor, together, a great assembly returning here. With weeping they shall come, and with their prayers I bring them. I shall make them walk by rivers of waters, in a straight way in which they do not stumble. For I shall be a father to Yisra'eel and Ephrayim, he is my firstborn. Hear the word of Yehwa, O Gentiles, and declare it in the isles afar off, and say, He who scattered Yisra'eel gathers him, and shall guard him as a shepherd his flock. For Yehua shall ransom Ya'aqob, and redeem him from the hand of one stronger than he.